So grade 6 girls, we will start with lesson 2.5, model fraction division. Please write date today, that is 19th October. Write the date here, 19th October. October, all right. Now, what is that? How am I using a model to show division of fractions? You know about the fraction strips. Last time you were studying about fractions. You know how you divide a pizza into a fraction, or example, a shaded part into fraction. You have, you know that how will I make this as 1 over 3, like, or how will I make 1 over 3 means I will put 3 lines. This all you know very well, right, girls? And
Yeah.
how to change this division to multiplication and flip, because I think Miss Susan was absent and I was the one who was teaching you this. How to change the division to multiplication, and then you have to flip. Do you remember all that? Or
Yeah.
like example, if I ask you 2 by 3 divided by 4, so it will become 2 by 3 multiply 2 by 3 multiply 1 over 4. 2 by 3. Anyways, here we are using the models. Here what are we using? We are using models.
Model.
What I'm trying to find? I'm trying to find in the question. The question here is, read the question. A class is working on a community project to clear a path near the lake. They are working in teams on section of the path. 4 students clear a section that is 2/3 meter long. If each student clears an equal part, the whole thing is 2/3. The whole thing is how much? 2/3 meter long. If each student clears an equal part, what fraction means? For 2/3, I need to make it. Actually, this is 2 by 3, right? What he made. Imagine the whole thing is 3. He made 2 by 3. So don't you think so? This is 2 by 3. I know they are not 3 equal parts, but see, he's saying, imagine this is a box, okay? And 3 parts already. This is already 3. If first thing, if I make one, if I make like this means 2 by 3 of the box, the 3 parts are not seen. Just I make half of 2 by 3. Well, anyways, let us proceed, and I'm sure you will understand this. So what are you trying to find? I'm trying to find how much. Can you write along with me, please?
Yeah.
How much is each group if 2 over 3? Because 2 over 3 means 2/3. 2 by 3. You know how to write it. नानी के पास बोलो, उन्हें डर रहा बोले, बोल के डर रहा बोले. 2 over 3 is shared among 4 groups. Okay, means 2 over 3 I want to divide into 4 groups. Girls, do you remember something like this? Last time I have taught you. When it is 2 over 3 divided by 4. So I told you, what do? We do 2 over 3. The division becomes multiplication. And 4 becomes 1 over 4. Do you remember this or no? Do you remember this, girls?
No.
No? Okay, simple. When nothing is below 4, it means it is 1. It means
1.
it is 1. Okay?
1.
Now, when I want to change this division to the answer, I need to first write 2 over 3, copy it same. The division becomes multiplication and flip. And what do? 4 by 1, I make it by 4 over 4, I make it as 1 over 4.
Miss, okay, if it's there is 1 already there, we didn't put it. Also flip it.
See, if it's like this, see, 2 over 3 divided by 7 over 6. Imagine if it is 7 over 6. What will I do?
Put 2 over 3 multiply 6 over 7.
Very good. That's your answer. Now, your question is that if you have 1 where in the numerator, you mean?
Yeah, if I have like 6, like if I have 5 over 4 divided by 3 over 9, we have to put 5 over 4, then flip 9 over 3.
Yes, same thing. Same thing you will follow. The first fraction will write it at same and the second fraction you will flip. Understood? So now when I wrote 2 over 3, okay, and then I put, but don't forget, you have to put which sign? Multiplication sign. Then only you can flip. So I flipped 1 over 4. When I flip this, now simplify 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. What is your answer? What is your answer? 1 over
1 over
1
6.
over
6. So it means when I divide the 2/3, this is 2/3 into so many parts. So what will I get? I will get 1 over 6. That is one box finally, if it is 1 over 6. See, first they divide into 2 parts here. Then they divide into 3 parts here. And then they will divide into 6 parts. Why 6 parts? Because finally what am I getting? I'm getting 1 over 6. Okay? Now, where did I write this and why did I erase this? Now, again, I have to write. Wait a minute. Did you all write with me or no?
Yeah.
yeah.
But I erased it. Wait a minute. I will write it again. How much is in each group? How much is in each group if 2/3, if 2 over 3 is shared among, this is the question, among 4 groups. Am I correct? This is what you need to find. And what did you get this one? 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 4. You got 1 over 6. How did you get 1 over 6, girls? I have showed you. Did you write that procedure? Please write 2 over 3 times and flip. Write there, girls, here on the right side so that you remember while you are studying. I want you to understand where did I get 1 over 6. And please draw here. You need to draw here you need to draw 6 sections, means 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And each section, please write 1 over what?
6.
First, they divide 2/3 into 2 parts, and then they divide into 6 parts. Okay? 1 over 2 over 3, you make 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. This is 2 over 3. And then you get 1 over 6. Clear?
Miss, each cube we write 1/6.
Yes. Because it is divided into 1. Each one is 1 over 6, right? If I ask you what is one shade, if I shade this and ask you what is this, you will say it's 1 over 6. If I ask you what is this, you will say 1 over 6. Am I
1/6. Yeah.
for each? I'm not writing because it's not easy for me to write today. I don't find my pen. Okay.
Okay.
Did you understand the concept?
Yeah.
Now coming to next one. Here. Solve this and show me here. Batin, can you do it on the screen? Can you write on the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Solve for me 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 8 here. Yes. Do you do it with the finger? Or you have a pen?
No, with my finger, I press the pen and it's right.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent here, Batin. So your answer is 6 over
6
and that
over 1.
let me check 3 divided by 4. 3 over 4 multiply 8 over 1. 4 times 1, 4 times 2. So 6 over 1. That means how many divisions will you make here, girls?
Where?
How many? It's the opposite. Not
1.
it's not actually 1 over 6. It is 6 over 1. Any idea?
Miss, I'm going to make only from here 1, right? Here I'm going only to make 1.
Yeah. Simple. You can again make those 6 divisions. You can make 6 divisions here, girls. Make 6 divisions. I want to see the first one. It's not 6 division here. Here it has to be 4 groups. Girls, here it has to be actually 4 groups, not 6 groups. If I leave this question, here do it on. Make 6 groups here, girls. Make 6 groups. Make 6 groups.
Miss, and up we make 4.
Yeah, up make 4 girls. And right, because there are 4 groups.
Miss,
Yes, my dear. And here make 6 groups. And write 1 over 8. One over 8 in each group. Right? 1 over 8 in each.
8.
So how many groups are there? Of 1 over 8, there are 6 groups.
6.
You got it? There are 6 groups, yes. Here they already told you there are 4 groups. They already told you in the question there are how many groups?
4 groups.
But since they already told you 4 groups, that's why I'm drawing 4 here, girls. I'm not drawing 6. Here we find the group. There are 6 groups. How many groups we are finding? How many groups of 1 over 8 are in 3 over 4? And here you get 6. But the main thing you got it. Why did I get 6? It's good that you all can also solve here with me.
Yeah.
Mm.
And we can write
write
to
this?
you, like we
You
can
write this
text.
black part? Did you write this black
We
part?
can text.
Yes. Leen and Malak, did you write this? What Vateen has?
Miss Malak is not here.
Malak is not here.
I know. Leen, did you write this?
Yeah.
Okay, I will go to the next question. Leave the draw conclusion and all that. You don't need it. Here. Draw. You can draw a model to help you. Jessica is making a recipe that calls for 3/4 cup of flour. Suppose she only has half cup size measuring spoon. How many half flour does she have? Simple, girls. Divide whole into fourths. First of all, I divide everything into fourths. And then Jessica need how many cups? Jessica need 3/4 cup. How many cup? She need 3/4, but she doesn't have 3/4. She has half. She needs 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup. And next thing I'm gonna write here. How many group? How many groups of half and 3/4? Now, how many groups of half are in 3/4? So first of all, I divide the whole thing in fourth. You know this is called 1/4. If I make this, girls, you have another class. Continue with that. Tomorrow I'm gonna continue. Okay. Thank you, girls.